tech factory, where innovation meets the future of transportation. In today's video, we'll explore groundbreaking vehicles and technologies that are revolutionizing the way we travel, from electric cars to flying vehicles and futuristic mobility solutions. BRABUS Crawler. This SUV looks like something straight out of a Lego Technic set, but it's much more than that. The BRABUS Crawler was created by the German team at BRABUS. While it may resemble a G-Class Geländewagen, it's essentially an entirely new vehicle. After extensive modifications, almost every part has been redesigned. The only original components that remain are the headlights and taillights. Under the hood, this beast packs an incredible 900 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The ground clearance is an impressive 14 inches, giving it the capability to tackle rough terrain with ease. To protect the underside, aluminum and Kevlar panels have been added. The body of the BRABUS Crawler is made entirely of carbon fiber, ensuring it's lightweight yet durable. Finally, it's equipped with Maxxis Razor MT tires, which provide exceptional grip and performance off-road. If you're looking for a vehicle that's tough, powerful, and unlike anything else on the road, the BRABUS Crawler is an engineering masterpiece worth exploring. BMW Motorrad Spirit Concept. The future of electric motorcycles. The BMW Motorrad Spirit Concept is a futuristic vision of electric motorcycles, showcasing cutting-edge technology and innovative design. Developed as a concept for the future of mobility, it combines advanced electric propulsion with bold aesthetics and eco-conscious engineering. This concept highlights BMW's commitment to creating high-performance, emission-free motorcycles. One of the standout features of the Motorrad Spirit is its powerful electric drivetrain, which promises swift acceleration and smooth handling. The design of the Spirit concept includes a lightweight frame and streamlined bodywork, both of which enhance aerodynamics and overall performance. The motorcycle's futuristic look is defined by sharp lines, integrated LED lighting, and a sleek, minimalistic appearance. Equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, the Spirit concept also features advanced connectivity options, pushing the boundaries of what an electric motorcycle can offer. MOVICO Giant XL. The MOVICO Giant XL is a revolutionary mobile event structure that combines luxury, convenience, and innovation. This incredible trailer transforms a single 45-foot container into a 3-story venue. Once set up, it offers an impressive 180 square meters of premium space. What sets the Giant XL apart is its quick setup time. It's ready in just 3 hours. With a capacity to host up to 195 people, it's perfect for sporting events, corporate functions, and other high-profile gatherings. The Giant XL doesn't just offer space, it delivers comfort and style. Its features include climate control, ensuring the perfect temperature in any weather. LED lighting, creating an elegant and dynamic atmosphere. Advanced technology integration, enhancing the overall experience. For anyone planning a memorable event, the MOVICO Giant XL is the ultimate solution. It's designed to impress and provide an unforgettable experience. Honda Extended Reality Mobility Experience e-Mobility. The Honda Extended Reality Mobility Experience is redefining how we interact with personal mobility. It's a groundbreaking fusion of cutting-edge virtual reality and advanced mobility technologies. This immersive experience allows participants to step into a virtual world. Here, they can explore different mobility scenarios, from futuristic urban commuting to dynamic personal transport options. By combining Honda's innovative e-mobility solutions with state-of-the-art VR technology, this platform offers more than just a glimpse into the future. It provides an interactive way to visualize how personal transportation might evolve. Users can experience the potential of Honda's advanced mobility systems in a fully virtual environment. It's not just a concept, it's an engaging tool to inspire ideas and innovation in the world of transportation. The Honda Extended Reality Mobility Experience shows how technology can transform mobility into a creative and futuristic adventure. Are you ready to explore the possibilities? Nazzeni eVTOL Aircraft. Introducing the Nazzeni eVTOL aircraft, a groundbreaking concept in the world of electric mobility. This innovative project envisions a 5-seat electric aircraft designed to cover a range of 300 kilometers on a single charge. Although it's still in the conceptual stage, the potential is undeniable. The creators of this futuristic aircraft are actively seeking investors to bring their vision to life. To showcase its potential, they recently released a demonstration video at the Shenzhen International UAV Expo, the largest drone exhibition in China. This event highlights the growing demand for advanced electric aviation solutions. With its ambitious range and capacity, the Nazzeni eVTOL aircraft aims to revolutionize regional travel and pave the way for sustainable air transportation. While still a concept, this aircraft promises a future where efficient, eco-friendly flying is accessible to more people. Will this project take off? Time will tell, but it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. The Lockheed Ringwing plane, a game-changer in aviation. The Lockheed Ringwing plane is truly one of a kind. Instead of the usual flat wings, it sports a unique ring-shaped wing that wraps 7.4 meters around and curves back to connect to the tail. This eye-catching design doesn't just look cool, it has real benefits. The ring wing helps the plane lift off more easily and makes it less sensitive to strong crosswinds. As a result, the plane uses less fuel and can land on shorter runways. Standing 23 meters tall, it's a striking example of how innovative design can lead to more efficient and versatile aircraft. This new design could change the way we think about flying and make air travel smarter and more efficient. Volkswagen Hover Car. Volkswagen's People's Car project was created to understand what customers want in car design, especially in China. Over 1.19 million ideas were submitted by consumers. One of the most exciting ideas was the Volkswagen Hover Car. This two-seater car hovers above the road using electromagnetic road networks. It's designed to be energy efficient and can easily navigate through heavy traffic. Due to its compact size, it's perfect for finding parking in tight spaces. The car has two driving modes. In the first mode, the driver is in control. In the second mode, the car drives itself, using sensors and the network for autonomous navigation. The hover car was presented at the 2012 Beijing Motor Show as part of Volkswagen's strategy to develop cars based on Chinese customer feedback. With advancements in electromagnetic technology and self-driving features, this concept could revolutionize transportation in the future. Scewo Bro. The Scewo Bro is a groundbreaking electric wheelchair designed for more than just smooth surfaces. What sets it apart is its ability to navigate stairs autonomously. Thanks to its advanced track system, the wheelchair can easily climb curbs, single steps, and straight stairs, making previously challenging environments accessible. Operating on two wheels, the Scewo Bro moves effortlessly across different terrains. It doesn't require upper body strength to maintain stability, providing a seamless ride. A key feature is its height-adjustable seat, which can rise from 45 centimeters to 87 centimeters. This allows users to interact at eye level in a variety of settings, whether at home or out in public. Safety is a top priority. The Scewo Bro is equipped with sensors that detect the edges of stairs, preventing accidents. Additionally, an optional reversing camera provides extra security when backing up. Regular software updates keep the chair smart and running smoothly. With a range of 25 to 35 kilometers on a single charge and a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour, the Scewo Bro offers a perfect balance of performance and convenience. It's more than just a wheelchair, it's a tool for independence and mobility. Xbus. The Xbus is more than just a vehicle. It's a highly personalized and sustainable driving experience. Unlike traditional cars with static designs, the Xbus offers unlimited modularity. This innovative electric van, launched in 2023, adapts to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip or need a utility vehicle for work, the Xbus has you covered. With 9 different body styles and 2 chassis options, it transforms effortlessly. It can be a camper van, a pickup, or even a small bus, depending on your needs. The Xbus is powered by a battery pack ranging from 10 to 30 kilowatt hours. Charging is flexible. You can charge it at home in 3 to 6 hours or speed things up using a wallbox or public charging station. Its advanced electronic control system delivers all-wheel drive with an impressive torque of over 1,000 Nm. Plus, the addition of solar panels and regenerative braking extends its range up to 370 miles, making it ideal for road trips. The Xbus isn't just a vehicle, it's a versatile and eco-friendly solution for modern mobility. Tesla Cybercab. Introducing the Tesla Cybercab, a revolutionary step forward in autonomous electric transportation. Unveiled at Tesla's We Robot event in October 2024, this fully autonomous vehicle is designed for 2 passengers, with no need for a steering wheel or pedals. Instead, it relies entirely on advanced camera-based autonomous driving technology, making the Cybercab a true driverless experience. The design is sleek and futuristic, featuring stunning butterfly doors and a large central touchscreen, offering a premium and personalized mobility experience. Set to be released to the public by 2026, with an estimated price of around $30,000, the Cybercab aims to bring sustainable and autonomous transportation to everyone. This vehicle will set a new standard for urban mobility, blending convenience, style, and cutting-edge technology to redefine how we get around. Get ready for the future of transportation with the Tesla Cybercab. Sniejik Freeride. Is it a mini snowmobile that looks like a motorcycle, or a motorcycle with tracks? Actually, it's both. Meet the Sniejik Freeride, an innovative electric vehicle with no production analogs anywhere in the world. This unique design combines the agility of a motorcycle with the snow-traversing capabilities of a snowmobile. Powered by electricity, the Sniejik Freeride offers a range of 10 to 15 kilometers on a single charge. Need more range? You can upgrade to a higher capacity battery, thanks to its detachable mount. One of its standout features is its lightweight build. The aluminum version weighs just 50 kilograms, while the steel version is slightly heavier at 65 kilograms. This makes it easy to handle and transport. Speaking of transport, it disassembles easily to fit into your car. Despite its compact size, the Sniejik Freeride is no slouch when it comes to performance. It can reach a top speed of 65 km per hour. Plus, it's built to handle extreme conditions, operating smoothly in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Other benefits? It's quiet, produces no exhaust emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The price of this innovative snow machine is around $4,150. If you're looking for a fun, efficient, and eco-friendly way to navigate snowy terrains, the Sniejik Freeride might just be your perfect companion. The Deep Sentinel System. Guardians of the deep. The vast oceans hold countless secrets and many dangers. From pollution to illegal fishing, and even undiscovered threats, the underwater world faces challenges that need urgent attention. Enter the Deep Sentinel System. This concept envisions a network of autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, designed to patrol and monitor the oceans. These high-tech drones would be equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and sampling tools. Imagine a fleet of robotic guardians, silently gliding through the depths of the ocean. Their mission? To collect vital data on the health of our seas. These AUVs could monitor pollutants, providing early warnings of contamination. Track marine life populations, offering insights into biodiversity. Detect potential threats, such as illegal fishing vessels. The Deep Sentinel system has the potential to revolutionize ocean conservation and research. With real-time data, scientists and policymakers can better understand and protect this critical ecosystem. Think of these AUVs as our underwater eyes and ears. They could help ensure the health and sustainability of our oceans, not just for today, but for generations to come. KANGOO jumps. More than just fun shoes. KANGOO jumps may look like shoes made just for fun, but they offer more than meets the eye. These innovative shoes can make weight loss efforts 20% more effective and boost stamina by 17%. They also help correct posture and speed up rehabilitation. Designed for versatility, KANGOO jumps can be used both indoors and outdoors. They're perfect for running or simply attracting attention during your workout. The basic version is suitable for individuals weighing up to 90 kilograms. It comes in 5 sizes, from XS to XL, and features double protection. The springs are built to last approximately 100 hours of use. These shoes come with additional benefits too. They can improve sleep, enhance productivity, and even reduce nervousness. As for the cost, KANGOO jumps are available for $265. Iron Man suit. The marvel of fictional technology. The Iron Man suit is a masterpiece of fictional technology, created by billionaire industrialist Tony Stark. Despite the name, it's not made of iron but rather a combination of advanced materials. These include iron, steel, nickel, titanium, and a unique single-crystal titanium alloy. At the heart of the suit is a miniaturized arc reactor. This powerful device provides energy equivalent to that of 3 nuclear power plants. It not only powers the suit but also keeps Tony Stark alive by preventing shrapnel from reaching his heart. Stark's endless innovation has led to a constant stream of new armor designs. Each version is more advanced and impressive than the last. The Iron Man suit represents the peak of human ingenuity and technological advancement in the world of superheroes.